If your trial period has ended or you want to purchase a subscription now, in this video you will find the answer to the question of how to subscribe to the Moodle platform. Now we are on the app list page, which lists all the created applications. We need to go to the billing page. There are various subscription options available here. I will choose the most popular, Premium. Just click on the subscription button. Then the Moodle will take you to the Stripe payment page. Enter your name, card number, code, card expiration date, address and click Pay. If your payment is rejected, you need to check the entered data. Perhaps you made a mistake somewhere or this is not enough money on your bank card. If the payment was successful, the Moodle will return you to the billing page, where you will find all the information you need, such as card details from which payment is made, invoices, which active subscription you have today. After that, you can return to your apps page and continue working with the mobile app builder module.